In the meantime, Mr. McFarlane also responded to queries about whether the funds at SSL were insured.
All securities dealers are required to have a certain minimum level of insurance. What's it called? Fidelity? Fidelity insurance that covers various aspects of the operations of its company and its agents, but it's a minimum, right? So you may find that a company's board would, by virtue of an assessment of its operations, its risk exposure, may decide to have coverage above the minimum. That is something that we are assessing internally, and our examiner or temporary manager, will certainly be looking at that issue and assessing the availability of such resources in light of the nature of the claims and the quantity of the claims.
Now, on Tuesday, lawyers representing Sprint legend Usain Bolt threatened to sue Stocks and Securities Limited if the entity does not return over $12 million in the next 10 days. The attorneys stated in a letter that up to October 31 last year, Bolt had over $12.7 million in an SSL account. Just over $12,000 is left. Millions of dollars were also stolen from other customers.